2, 1, go. Powerpuff Girls fighting crime. Oh, to save the world before bedtime. And sunshine when you fight crime. Us got the power. We got the power. Breaking through the walls. We can do it all. Will Kiss got the power. We got the power. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Da da da. What are you doing, Blossom? Using my new hair powers. Okay. Whoa, Blossom, that's enough. Okay. But, guys, I hope Buttercup's feeling good for the video today. Me too, guys. Today, we're going to see our cousins, guys. Guess who that is? Oh, don't tell them. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you in a different room. So, guys, you didn't have to see me walk, but just to let you know, our cousins are Bluey and Bingo. So, let's get them in 3, 2, 1. Magic hand appear! Snap for my cousins so they can appear! Hey, where's the Bluey? Sorry, Blossom. Just to let you know, Bluey left because, you know why? Oh, yeah. She took a shower. We can see her soon later in the video, though. What? You know about we're taking a video and posting it? Yeah, of course. Duh, guys. Hey, don't say that. Okay, sorry. But anyway, welcome to our house, Bingo. I'll show you around. I can fly. Really? Sure can. Watch. Oopsies. Can you make the same sound? I don't think so. If you go really fast and hard, try to do it. I still can't. Maybe your flying is a little different than mine. Watch. I was born with Chemical X. So was I. Oh, but you have a different Chemical X. No, actually, I was made with Chemical W. Oh, no, you have to be really careful with your powers. Okay, I can make a sound like this. Wow, you did it pretty hard, but I still can't do it. But how? How am I gonna do this? I have no idea. But at least we can see Bluey in episode 5, maybe later. Oh yeah, we can. Bye guys, see you next time.